Alright, how you guys doing? Jeff here again with another fan video. And today we're going to do a video of a Evergo Montgomery Ward label. I actually have two of these. Let's see what this one is. AC ceiling fan, 48-inch model, number 4E-3LW 42272, 110 volt, 1.2 amp. Evergo Industrial Enterprises, made in Hong Kong. So these fans are reversible. They are single speed. So for our demonstration, we'll do we'll just do full on, full off, and then I'll also hook it up to a variable speed control. There'll probably be a little noise associated with that. But some history on these fans. These came out of a house here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. They were only removed. The seller actually really liked the fans and was upset he got some cheap replacements, but they were removed because they wanted to add additional lighting to the area. These fans are not really my style, so they will be eBay bound, but I had never had one before and wanted to get one and play it out. Thought you guys might enjoy videos. So without further ado, we'll start out by going right to full speed. So this is just 110 volts going right to the fan. Or not. Hang on a second here. There we go. And as you can see, it runs nice and quietly, perfectly in balance. Puts out a fair amount of air. I was surprised. I didn't expect it to perform as well as it does. So let's do a spin down from full. That's spinning down, we're going to go and hook it up to just the standard solid state variable speed control. See how it performs on that. So you can definitely notice a little more hum right on startup using that variable speed, which seems to just about go away once the fan gets up to full speed. A little more hum evident as we move down the speeds here. This is as low as this control goes. I'm not sure what the low speed trim is set at, so we'll see if it installs out or keeps running here. So these fans are both antique brass finish. They have cane wood blades that are reversible to just flat normal wood. Really very good condition. The only negative on either fan are the brass accents on the blades do have a few light scratches. Might be one or two on the motor here or there, but other than that, these are real nice shape. They were obviously cleaned and taken care of. And we'll turn her back up and go off. And while we have it hooked up, let's might as well demonstrate reverse. We'll go back to our full power here without the control. And spin down for rears. So as stated earlier, these fans are going up for sale on eBay. If you found this video via YouTube, you can find the fans by looking at my eBay sellers account, GDOGKZO. And if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this and other vintage fan related